Let's see how we can format cells in Microsoft Excel for date. Let me just widen this a bit and this one to a bit. Let me select these two and increase the font size to about 18. So now let me zoom a bit so that we can see clearly. I'm going to select this cell, right click, then go to format cells. I'll select date, choose the type, select the location, and then click OK. If I enter 7/17/25 here, it remains the same. But if I enter the same value in the region or the cell that I formatted, it tells us that July 17 was a Thursday. If I enter another value here, it tells us that July 17 2029 will be a Tuesday. So because this has been formatted, it gives us the date. But because we've not formatted these cells, whatever we type remains as it is. So that is how we can format cells in Microsoft Excel for date.